There are times when you get to see this kind of thing and they tell you that it's a trade signal. Maybe you get to see something else that looks like this and you may not be able to understand what the whole thing is actually talking about. You may see something that is a little more complicated like this, and you may be wondering, I don't understand it. Or something else that also looks like this. This is actually the type I use most times. So all these examples that I just showed you now, they are all trade signals. They can be crypto markets or forex markets or any market that you trade. They are all crypto signals and they come in the same form. By God's grace, by the end of this video, we are going to trash that out and you will be able to read every trade signal that comes your way. This signal says gold sell now 2426 to 2429. SL 2432. TP up to the last TP, which is open. So now this is gold. Gold is what you want to trade. That is what it is. And it says sell now. So it's telling you to open a sell trade. Yes. And it's giving you the range of values where you can sell from. You know, in crypto trading, we can either buy or we sell. So it's telling you to sell gold from this value 2426 to 2429. You can choose any value of your choice and start selling from there. Selling means start dropping, taking a sell from there. So this SL now means is 2432. This SL is stop loss. And TP means take profit. In stop loss, you are just saying in case market refuses to sell and keeps going up, the market should take you out at this particular 2432. That is what a sell is. Then for TP, it means that you should target to take your profit. TP means take profit. So take profit from 2424, 2422, 2420. You're wondering it's dropping. Yes, it's because it's a sell. In sell, you're selling from the top. You're opening your positions from the top and anticipate the market to drop. That is a sell. And it means that you can actually target these places 2424. If market did not reverse from there and keeps going up, you can target another TP at 2422. And if market did not reverse and keeps dropping, not keeps going up. So the same thing applies to the third TP. If market did not reverse and keeps going down, you can take your profit again at 2420. And then the last one is after market has probably taken out that profit, you can decide to take a profit as any other place you feel like you want to sell and go. That is the meaning of the open. But in most cases, take partial profits. Even if you don't take all, you can actually take part of the profits in those different TPs that the person mapped out. You get. So now with this knowledge now, you can be able to say one or two about this particular one. So what can you see? XAU-USD. It's also gold, but it's the symbol of gold. So you are trading gold against US dollar. And this person says it's a buy. So you're actually buying at 2420.6. And your stop loss is 2402. And your TP is 2469. So this person's trade signal is very, very simple and straightforward. So this is a little more complicated. This is Dogecoin. So here we have pullback. Pullback is showing 0.1529. See stop loss 0.13315. CTP. So this thing is just like that first signal I read out that has 3 different TPs. Now, if you look at this, it's telling you that since the TPs are going up, it means that this market is a buy. You are actually buying, you are not selling. Yes, it's that simple. And now your stop loss is below, and this pullback region is now your entry because your stop loss is below. So you are actually guarding your trade against the reversal. Let's say against markets going against your trend, because you are giving market this whole space to actually interact once it gets to your entry. And if it refuses to start going up from there and go below this your stop loss market, once it gets to your stop loss, it means that you are asking the market to give me this loss I've already incurred until you find a better entry. So in this video now, you can now read the words along with me. Our pullback level, which is supposed to be our entry. Why is it called a pullback? It's called a pullback because you're going to see the price at 0.16847, which is higher than the pullback price, which is 0.15. You get, but this is 16. So it's saying that you should expect price to drop to that level, which should be your entry level. In this case, you may not need to wait for the market to come here before you start opening your trade. You can open your trade alongside and just tell the market that your entry is 0.1529. That's it. So now, what is our stop loss? Tell me. Yes, 0.13315. What is our TB1? 0.20999. TB2, 0.25300. TB3, last one is 0.2960. So this is very clear. I hope you're understanding it very, very well. So right now, the next type of trade signals is when you see trades like this. Like I told you, this is how I drop my own signals and I enjoy it like this. You know why? It gives the person reading this taking this signal an opportunity to see what I did in the analysis, just like the previous one. So you saw where the person's mapped out these things from his chart and the lines and all. So you're able to visualize the person's analysis and see why the person actually took an entry from that level. So if you enjoyed this video up to this moment, please give us a thumbs up. Please like this video and also comment. Use the comment section. This comment section is your friend as always. We are here to encourage one another and then we'll fly together. And please, if you are new to this channel and you have not subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button because here we bring goodies. We bring goodies. We always try as much as possible to give us what is going to benefit us in this crypto space. God bless you as you do so. Now, let's start with the ones you've known. When you see a setup like this is like a little more complicated because it is not showing you the value of your entry. It's not pointing out all those things for you. Now, the thing is, this is trading view. And in trading view, we have what we call a long and a short tool. You may be wondering what is long and what is short. In trading, short also means sell and long also means buy. So the first question you're going to ask yourself, is this trade a long trade or a short trade? If they ask you, what will you say? Okay, fine. This is a long trade. It's not because it's long. This is a buy setup. It's not because it's long. Let me tell you the reason. Work with me. So this is for long positions and this is for short positions. Let me take the long tool. If you pick the long tool and place it and drop it here, look closely. You're going to see your stop at 0.925. Your open at 6.993. That's 7. It's fluctuating. Then your target at 0.925. That is what makes it a long tool. Then versus a short tool, you are going to see something. Now you see the stop is above because you are intending to go short. You are intending to sell. So your target is now below. You understand? Unlike our long tool, our target was above because we are longing. But here, our target is below because we are shortened. That is what makes it a long and a short. Why the stop loss is above our entry. So now I map these things out for you now, for you to see. But when I will drop a picture of this, you're not going to be seeing those things now. Okay, look at this. Where is the target? The target is above. Where is the stop? The stop is below. The stop is the stop loss. Where is your open? Your open is at the center. So now it tells you that this trade signal is for buying. Buying is the same as longing. So now I did not open this tool because I'm not going to send you the signal like this. It's not going to be like this. It's not going to be with these things. It's going to be this plain. So you now be asking yourself, how will I know which one is which? What is your mind telling you at this point? Okay, fine. It's why I would say that it is a long is because look at the entry from the center, which is the red line. That red line is the entry level. From the center to this other end is actually long. This region is long, while this region is short. It tells you that this person cannot place a very high stop loss. This person cannot risk this much to gain this little. It is foolishness. It's not done anywhere. So if you check the difference between the entry, like I said, is this red line. This is the entry. If you check the difference between the entry and the target, it is long. If you check the difference between the entry and the stop loss, it is always short. So it is your stop loss level is always, the gap between your entry and your stop loss is always shorter than the gap between your entry and your target. That is why you know that this setup or this signal is for longing and not for shorting. Now the next question is, where are the values for these things, for this long, for this short, since they are not like this? So now how you're going to know is that you're going to match the colors to these lines. You are seeing many colors, but you concentrate on the color of this long tone. So the entry now, look at the red line. My entry level is showing red. Therefore, my entry number is going to have a red color along this lane. So my entry now on this trade is 13.205. Now, my stop loss level is, the end of my stop loss is shining blue. Therefore, my stop loss is going to coincide with a blue colored number here. So what is our stop loss now? No, don't you ever mistake it with this 13.397. You know why? Your stop loss, this is the region. If you match this line to this place, it has nothing to do with this place. In fact, it's even above your entry. So it can be, your stop loss is actually below your entry. So your stop loss is 12.797. And it has to be lower than your entry because you are longing. So now, while you move up, you are going to match the tip of your target color with the color of the number here. So now, with the explanation I gave here, what is your target level for this one? Very correct. That is 17.461. So now you've mastered the act of reading trade signals. Very, very, very correct. Now let me show you this and see if you can be able to interpret it. So lastly, the next thing you want to know is the pair you are trading. What is it? Is this BTC? Is this ETH? Is this gold? Is this, like, what is it? So this is on a mobile view. You can see the link, the pair here. This is link USDT. So this is actually link. You are trading link against USDT. You can also see it from this region. Look at this place. This is link USDT. On the desktop view, you're going to see it somewhere around this top. You get. So now looking at this structure, tell me the entry, the stop loss, the take profits, and the pair you are trading. Do the same for this pair. Okay, let me zoom it a bit. The entry, the stop loss, the take profits, and the pair you are trading. Let me zoom the other one a bit as well. So here is it, the entry, the stop loss, the take profit, and the pair you are trading. See you. Drop them on the comment section. I'll tell you whether you're right or wrong. Also use the description to get the link to the video where I talked about how to place these trades on an exchange.